Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Are you enjoying your study of this subject? I hope you are. When you can write these exercises fast, you will be on your way to making your living in a business office. Besides its value to you, I hope you like the subject for itself. As you know, this subject is widely used in business offices, but it has many uses besides this. You can use it for many different purposes. Can you name some of them? The success of many a famous head of a large business firm is due to his study of this subject. It was the first step in his business career. Write the signs as fast as you can. Always read back what you write. Each time you write an exercise, you should write it faster and read it back faster. Write the forms just as they appear in this book. In time, you may, if you wish, write these same forms as fast as you can speak.